Custom fields allow you to include additional information to your time data, so you can track anything that is important to your workflow with no limits. To add custom fields, select the level where you want to add the additional data. Here are a few examples. Add a custom field to classify your tasks by status. Use colors to identify them. In the task editor, you'll see all of the custom fields available to use. Add a custom field to your hours to tag where you are working from. As you add or edit hours, you'll be able to choose the location. Add a custom field to your projects to encode them. If you add or edit a project, you can include the project's code. Timesheets report contains all your custom fields as columns. Make sure they are enabled. You can use them as filters or groups in your reports. Track anything you need with custom fields.